Hi everyone, welcome back to lipid series. In previous videos we have discussed about hydrolytic rancidity and oxidative rancidity. I told you how oxidative rancidity is different from hydrolytic rancidity. So in this video we are going to discuss about rancidity testing. This rancidity testing is done to measure level of oxidation or degree of oxidation or hydrolysis in lipid or fatty foods. Actually, there are different types of test used for different purposes. If you have to measure free fatty acid, then there is a different test. If you have to measure primary oxidation product, or if you have to measure secondary oxidation product, there are different types of test used for these purposes. So first, we will discuss about peroxide value. This peroxide value is measured, or this peroxide value, here I will write peroxide value. This determines degree of primary oxidation. This determines degree of oxidation. Degree of oxidation. As I told in last video, this oxidation or oxidative rancidity occurs in unsaturated fatty acids. Therefore, this peroxide value is used to determine degree of oxidation in unsaturated fatty acid or mostly in vegetable oils. So this peroxide value we can determine primary oxidation products like peroxide, especially hydroperoxides. Here I will write here amount of peroxides formed in early stages or initial stages of oxidation. Early stages of oxidation of lipid. This peroxide value is expressed as milliequivalent or millimoles. Here I will write, okay? Millimoles or milliequivalent of peroxide oxygen. Millimoles expressed as peroxide value expressed as millimoles or milliequivalents, short form of peroxide oxygen. Peroxide oxygen per kg of oil or fat or that sample. Oil or fat. Kg of oil or fat. Actually, these peroxides formed are primary products of oxidation. These peroxides formed are primary products of oxidation, and aldehydes and ketones like products are secondary product of oxidation. Aldehydes and ketones are secondary product of oxidation. Therefore, this peroxide value is used for measurement of primary oxidation product, and to measure amount of secondary product formed in oxidation, there is another test which is anicidin value. We will discuss this also, but remember about this peroxide value is if more peroxide value means there is more oxidation, right? Or less peroxide value means fresher the oil. We can say like that, fresher the oil. And peroxide value is the quality criteria for explain the freshness of edible oils. Lower the peroxide value means fresher the oil. Peroxide value of actually crude pressed oil is greater than refined oil. Here I will write peroxide value of crude pressed oil is between 5 to 20 milliequivalent of peroxide oxygen or millimoles of peroxide oxygen per kg, and peroxide value of refined oil is between 0 to 1. This is important from exam point of view. So this is all about peroxide value. Another test which is used for identification of secondary oxidation product like aldehydes and ketones, which is anisidine value. This anisidine value determines secondary oxidation of lipid, secondary degree or level of secondary oxidation of lipid, secondary oxidation of lipid. This anisidine value is an indicator of, here I will write, okay, used as indicator of excessive deterioration of oil, excessive deterioration of oil, during deep frying process, as in deep frying process these secondary oxidation products form, like aldehydes and ketones, like secondary oxidation form during deep frying process. Actually, in this test, what happens? Anisidine reagent, para-anisidine, reacts with aldehydes or ketone, to give yellow color product in presence of some reagents. And Totox value is calculated by using these two values. One is peroxide value and another is anisidine value. 2 into peroxide value plus para-anisidine value, PAV or just AV. Totox means total oxidation. Total oxidation. It determines overall oxidation state of lipid. Determines overall oxidation state. Overall oxidation state of lipid or fat or lipid. So this is all about anisidine value. And one more test, which is TBA value or TBA test. TBA means thiobarbituric acid. This test is used actually to determine one secondary oxidation product, that is malondialdehyde. TBA value. TBA means thiobarbituric acid value. This determines presence of secondary oxidation product, that is MDA or malondialdehyde. Secondary oxidation product. Especially this TBA test is used to identify whether that lipid contains this MDA or not. MDA is very toxic and it is end product of lipid peroxidation. Remember these things about MDA, end product of lipid peroxidation. And this MDA, if there are more free radical present in lipid, there will be more overproduction of MDA. More free radicals present, it causes overproduction of MDA. Actually, in cancerous patient, in cancerous patient, these MDA levels are generally higher. Remember this thing, in cancerous patient MDA levels are generally higher. Levels are generally higher. This MDA is used as biomarker of oxidative stress. Used as biomarker of oxidative stress. And this TBA, when react with malondialdehyde, it will give red color pigment. Here I will write TBA plus MDA gives red color pigment, red color complex or red color product. So this is all about anisidine value, peroxide value and TBA value and Totox value or Totox number.